Have you ever tried to plug in a device, only for the entire electrical outlet to wiggle and pull away from the wall? It is certainly a common household annoyance, often leading to frustration and an unstable connection for your appliances. This seemingly minor issue can actually be easily fixed, bringing stability back to your everyday electrical use. To secure a loose electrical outlet cover, you primarily need to tighten the screws that hold the cover plate and the electrical outlet itself to the wall box. Before you do anything, however, the most important step is to always turn off the power to that specific outlet at your home's circuit breaker or fuse box. This ensures your safety and prevents any risk of electrical shock while you work. Outlet covers and the electrical devices they enclose can become loose for several reasons. Over time, normal wear and tear from repeatedly plugging and unplugging devices can cause the mounting screws to loosen. Sometimes, the initial installation might not have been perfectly tight, or the screws could be too short for the depth of the electrical box in the wall. A loose cover is not just an aesthetic problem. It can expose wiring and create a safety hazard, especially in homes with children or pets. Once the power is off, you can proceed with the fix. First, gently remove the cover plate by unscrewing the small screw in the center. Inspect the electrical outlet itself, which is typically secured by two larger screws at the top and bottom. If these screws are loose, carefully tighten them with a screwdriver until the outlet is firm against the wall box. If the screws spin freely, they might be stripped or too short. In this case, you may need to replace them with slightly longer screws or use an outlet repair clip, also known as a device box extender. These handy clips fit behind the outlet to provide a stable surface for the screws to bite into, effectively bringing the outlet flush with the wall surface. For those tricky situations where the electrical box itself is set too far back into the wall, a simple solution is to use outlet spacers or shims. These small, non-conductive pieces can be folded or stacked behind the outlet to push it forward, allowing the cover plate to sit flush and securely. These specialized spacers are designed for electrical work and are much safer than trying to use random pieces of cardboard or other unsuitable materials. Making sure the outlet is flush with the wall surface is key for both safety and a finished look. And using these shims or clips are great insider tricks for a professional result. Taking a few moments to secure a wobbly electrical outlet cover brings more than just tidiness to your walls. It significantly enhances the safety of your home by preventing exposed wiring and potential electrical hazards, while also ensuring your devices have a reliable power connection. With simple tools and a focus on safety, you can easily maintain the integrity of your home's electrical system, gaining peace of mind and confidence in your household's well-being.